In this video, I'll show you how to use CapCut QR code for login. First, open CapCut on the device where you want to sign in. This is usually CapCut on your computer, CapCut Web, or another device that shows a login screen. When you see the sign-in options, look for Login with QR code or a QR code displayed on the screen. Now take your phone and open the CapCut app. Make sure you are already signed in to the CapCut account you want to use. If you are not signed in on your phone yet, log in first using your TikTok, Google, Apple, Facebook, email, or another available login method. Next, go to the QR scanning option in CapCut. Depending on your version, you may find it in your Profile, Settings, or near the Login and Account section. Look for an option like Scan QR code, or a small QR scanner icon. Point your phone camera at the QR code shown on the other device. Keep the QR code inside the scanning frame and make sure your screen brightness is high enough. After CapCut recognizes the code, a confirmation message should appear on your phone. Tap, confirm, authorize, or log in to approve the login. After you confirm, the other device should automatically sign in to the same CapCut account. If the QR code does not work, refresh the code on the login screen and try again. QR codes can expire after a short time, so use the newest one available. Also check your internet connection on both devices. If your phone cannot scan the code, make sure CapCut has camera permission. On iPhone or Android, open your device settings, find CapCut, and allow camera access. Once the login is complete, check your profile on the second device to make sure the correct account is active. You can now access your projects, cloud space, templates, and account features if they are available. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.